Here in this picture you can see a house with this compound wall around it. This wall surrounding the house is called a compound wall. Now suppose I say a person A takes 10 days to build this entire wall. That means in one day how much of work would he have done? 1 by 10. If I have another laborer who probably works a little slower and he takes 15 days to finish the work. So B, in one day he would have finished 1 by 15th of the wall. And if I have another third laborer, say C, and I say he takes X days to finish the work. I don't know how many days, say X day. That means in one day C would have finished 1 by X of the wall. So much of work in a day of the wall. And in this case I have two taps. I'll call this tap A and I will call this tap B. Now if tap A, this is tap A, and say it takes 5 hours to fill this entire tank. So in 1 hour it would have filled 1/5 of the tank. If tap B, this is tap B, say it takes 6 hours to fill the entire tank. I have to write here 6 hours to fill the entire tank. Therefore in 1 hour it would fill 1 by 6 of the tank. But now instead of giving a numbers, I'll say let tap A take say X hours to fill the tank. So in 1 hour how much would it fill? 1 by X of the tank. And if B, say tap B, takes Y hours to fill the tank. So in 1 hour it would fill 1 by Y of the tank. And if both the taps were put together, in 1 hour how much of work would be done? The work done in 1 hour will be 1 hour work of A plus 1 hour work of B. So in 1 hour the amount of tank that would be filled was 1x by A and 1y by B. If two pipes function simultaneously, a reservoir will be filled in 12 hours. One pipe fills the reservoir 10 hours faster than the other. How many hours will the second pipe take to fill the reservoir? We'll start from this part. They said one pipe fills the reservoir 10 hours faster than the other. We'll call this pipe A and we'll call this pipe B. So in the first case, let A take X hour to fill the reservoir. Now they said one pipe fills the reservoir 10 hours faster than the other. So if A takes X hours, the B will take X plus 10 hours to fill the reservoir. However, we can also take A as X and the other one as X minus 10. Remember, the difference in their time is 10 hours. Now the portion of the cistern filled by A in 1 hour will be 1 by X, while the portion of the cistern or reservoir filled by B in 1 hour will be 1 over X plus 10 for 1 hour. Here it's given A and B together fill in 12 hours. So A plus B together fill reservoir in 12 hours. Therefore, in 1 hour, A plus B will fill 1 over 12 of the reservoir. Now we can say 1 hour work of tap A plus 1 hour work of tap B will be total 1 hour of A plus B. Of 1 hour of A we have seen is 1 by x, of B is 1 over x plus 10, and 1 hour of A plus B is 1 by 12. Now we need to solve this. Here we take the LCM, x plus 10. We need to multiply this x plus 10, this also x plus 10. So here we will get now x plus, in this case we need to multiply this by x and this by x. So here we will get, this will be x plus 10 plus x equal to 1 by 12. So 2x plus 10 over x square plus 10x equal to 1 by 12. You cross multiply, you multiply these two, so you have 12, 2x plus 10 equal to, now you multiply these, you get x square plus 10x. 24x plus 120 equal to x square plus 10x. Take all on one side, so 0 equal to x square plus 10x. This will go on the other side, minus 24x. This goes minus 120. So 0 equal to x square minus, so here is minus 14x minus 120. When you split the middle term, x square, you split minus 14x and write here minus 20x plus 6x, and this is minus 120. You take x common out, x minus 20 plus 6 common out, x minus 20. So 0 equal to x minus 20, x plus 6. So this is what we have. So x minus 20 equal to 0, or x plus 6 equals 0, x equal to 20, x equal to minus 6. Here, however, we ignore, because x is hours and time is not negative. That's why we ignore this. So the answer comes x equal to 20. We had two. One was x. One tap A took x and the other tap B took x plus 10. So this would be 10 hours. And this would be now, not 10, this is 20 hours. And this would be 20 plus 10, 30 hours. So they ask a smaller tap. This is a smaller tap. B is a smaller tap, hence it takes longer time. So the answer is 30 hours. Two pipes running together can fill a tank in 11 1/9 minutes. If one pipe takes 5 minutes more than the other to fill the tank separately, find the time in which each pipe would fill the tank separately. I'll approach the sum a little different from what we have done earlier. So we have two pipes, and the difference in their time we say is 5 minutes. That means if I take any one of them as x minutes to fill the entire tank, the other one will take, say, x plus 5 or x minus 5, whichever you want. So A takes now x minutes to fill a tank. So in 1 minute, A will fill 1 by x of the tank. B now takes x plus 5 minutes to fill the tank. Therefore, in 1 minute, it would fill 1 over x plus 5. It is also given to us that both the pipes together, that means A plus B together, takes 11 1/9 minutes, which means it would be now 100 over 9 to fill the entire tank. So in A plus B together, in 1 minute, they would fill 9 by 100 part of the tank. Then we have 1 minute work of A plus 1 minute work of B equal to 1 minute work of A plus B. So 1 minute of A, we saw this much, how much A fills in 1 minute. This is what B does in 1 minute, this much of work. And both of them together fill so much in a minute, equal to 9 over 100. So now we need to take LCM of x and x plus 5, and the LCM will be x into x plus 5. So we multiply this into x plus 5 to get the LCM. This also x plus 5. Here we need to multiply this by x and this by x. So here we will get now x plus 5, 1 into x plus 5 and into x equal to 9 over 100. X and x becomes 2x plus 5. Now we open the bracket in the denominator, so we get x square plus 5x equal to 9 over 100. Now it's time to cross multiply. So I take these two brackets and I multiply, so it is 100. 2x plus 5 equals to, and I multiply this and 9. So 9 x square plus 5x. Open the bracket, 100 into 2x, 200x, 100 into 5, 500 equals to 9 into x square, 9x square, and this 45x. So 0, bring all the terms together, 9x square, this is 45x. The plus 200 will come as minus 200x here, plus 500 will come as minus 500. So 0 equal to 9x square, plus 45 minus 200 is minus 155x minus 500. Now I need to do middle term split of minus 500. So 0 equal to 9x square. When you middle term split, minus 180x plus 55x. And here minus 500. Hope you know, you remember. See, the product should be this. The product should be 9 into minus 500, which is minus 4500. And the sum should be minus 155. And your factors will be 180 and 25. So here I need to erase this. This is not 55. This is here 25. Now I'll take common out. From here I'll take 9 common out, 9x common out. So x minus 20 plus from here 25 common out, x minus 20. So 0 equal to 9x plus 25, and here I have x minus 20. So this is what, so either one of the brackets is 0, x plus 25 equals 0, or x minus 20 equals 0. So if I do 9x plus 25, 0, I get 9x equal to minus 25, x equal to minus 25 over 9, which I'm going to reject since x is time and time is not negative. For the other part, I do x minus 20 equal to 0, x equal to 20. And if you remember, there was step A which took x hours, which means 20 minutes. It was minutes, not hours in the sum. And the B took x plus 5, so that was 25 minutes. So this is your answer. 20 minutes, and one tap takes 20 minutes to fill the entire tank, while the other one takes 25 minutes.